Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michael E. Valladores and I'm 16 years old and my hobbies are playing Mobile Legends and basketball and online games and nothing. Yes, and the three interesting things about me is I'm good at sleeping and I'm good at laughing and I'm good at yapping. Yes. So my goal in this class is to pass, not to achieve honors. And my image of this subject, which is Media and Information Literature Filipino, is I will be nonchalant for now because it's first sem, but in second sem I will be kupal. Medyo. Okay, so why I choose this strand? Why I choose this strand, which is ABM, because I want to become a businessman someday and to help my mother from counting to money. Yes. So, hi guys, this is my tropa. And this my... Oy, ang gulwila, tol. Okay, sige. Nandito kami. Iya mo sila. Dito ko na lang. Oh. Okay. So, we still have 1 minute and 20 seconds. So, I will tell you some story of my life. So, I'm currently living at Barangay San Vicente and
last time na ba?
I still have 59 seconds.
Sabi na lang pag time na ha, kasi overtime tayo.
Okay, so time na daw guys.
Before the time, sabi ko.
No, stop.
10:30 pa.
Okay, may 45 seconds pa. Let's wait 45 seconds. So my friend is... Oh shit. Oh. Eh, pogi ha. Okay. Ganun mag-vital niya. Ano pa ako? 30 seconds pa kaya. Ha? Ha? When I was a kid, I still clinging to my mother's arm to have breastfeed. Yes. Bro, huwag ka tumawa, bro.
Sorry.
Sa kanil. So, let's count down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bye-bye.